What are we doing? How we doing? And where you at? It's Cody Steele here from Motormouth Entertainment and DieselBreathers.com. I want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for slapping that subscribe button, you guys. 17,000 subscriptions. And I tell you what, over 1,500 in 2 days, over 48,000 views on this channel right here. So thank you so much for being a part of DieselBreatherNation.com. Here we go. We're going to do a second generation Cummins. Let's do a 2007 GMC Duramax. Pulling tractor, can you back that baby up to the sled here? He's locked, he's loaded, ready to pull in 3, a 2, a 1. Pulling truck. Whoa, we had a little stall out there, ladies and gentlemen, but he'll be back. Give it up for Dale Jennings. 18-wheeler coming down that big old hill, hauling that grain. Detroit diesel, we're talking flat nose or whatever you got, your freaking eyeball staring out at the windshield on him. Here's a Detroit. Thank you so much, guys. I got more videos coming. Thank you for being part of Cody Steele here on YouTube. Love you all.